Fala aí, galerinha, aqui quem fala é o Cachorro Galáctico jogando The Wolf Among Us. Nossa, mano, essa é uma série de um cara que é um lobisomem. Só vou mostrar pra vocês aí. Nossa, tá aí. Do iPhone, Sérgio. Ah, não. Cameron, boy, summertime, after meeting night. Nossa, mano, tem um sapo.
Mr. Toad? Oh, shit. Bigby! Listen, mate, I know I don't look human. It's a problem. I just stepped out the apartment for just a second to see what kind of damage this drunk shit is doing. Just cut me a break, yeah? I'll get me glamour first thing in the morning. Cross my arm. No need to kick up a fuss. I'm looking at a 3-foot toad in a sweater. That's a
Galera, eu
problem.
não sei o que eu estou
Can't
apertando,
afford
né?
to look human, you're going to the farm. It's as simple as that. You can't send me up to live with those animals. You know what I mean? Go see a witch. Get a glamour.
Cara que eu tô, mano, esse Wolverine.
The quality of the spout goes down, but the rates keep climbing up. Do you have any idea how much it costs to have an entire family in glamour? It's not my problem. You're the one risking your entire family getting shipped off. It's completely irresponsible, Toad. Bigby, please. That's a low blow, mate. All this will be taken care of as soon as the witches are available to cast the spell. Whatever it costs, it's worth it. You don't want me catching you out of glamour again. Fucking hell! See? This is what I called you about, Sheriff. You're just gonna stand there, do something, Bigby, before he completely tears up the place. I should probably go handle this. Yes, please. Thank you.
Ih, rapaz.
Furry pricked up shite. Tell me it's my money.
Dad, the lights are shaking again.
What did I say? You want a big bad wolf to take you away?
No.
Then get the fuck back inside.
Oh, Jesus. Não tô quase entendendo nada ainda do jogo.
You're gonna know who I fucking am, you hear me? Hey, look at me!
Stop, okay?
Tá
We're
tudo.
close. Let's go.
God damn you!
Whoa, hey!
Nossa,
You
mano.
got something on your
Vem
face.
cá, seu
What are
trouxa.
you talking about, you stupid? I'll fucking kill you! You fucker!
All right, what's going on?
Ah, peraí. Opa.
What are you gonna fucking do, huh? Get the fuck out of the way before you get the axe again.
Woody, I'm gonna break your fucking face.
Is that a fact?
Yeah, that's a fact.
You got a shit fucking memory, Wolf. That's not how it went last time.
This isn't last time.
Oh, nossa. Ai. Rapaz, isso me deu ruim. Olé. 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 Aê.
Fucking glutton for punishment.
Ali. Toma.
Back off, asshole.
Errou. E toma. Nossa, mano. Uhul. Vai pra cá. Pega a garrafa. Toma.
Go fuck yourself.
Briga no bar. Urra. Toma. 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 Que louco. E esse é o primeiro episódio. Nossa senhora, mano. Errou. Ah, ele não quis matar, né? Ele era de cano.
You should probably get out of here.
Look, I'm not leaving until I get what's
You're
mine.
not getting shit, bitch. I'll fucking put you in the ground.
Shut up.
Oh, fucking shit. You broke my jaw, you bastard.
And still you talk.
Fuck you.
Não, mas ele tá se Não, ele tá se olhando.
What are you doing here?
These lips are sealed. Look, this is just the start of a shitty night for me. I just need the money he owes me, then I can go.
What the hell is going on? What happened?
A little misunderstanding that turned into a real shit show. Don't worry, you
Mano,
saw
quem
the best
tiver
bits.
gostando já pode dar os like aí, mano.
Curly.
Knock it off.
What's
What's your name?
Whatever you'd like it to be, handsome.
Don't make this more difficult than it has to be.
Sorry, Sheriff. Wouldn't want to add any difficulty to your night.
Why was he hitting you?
He asked me if I recognized him, knew who he was. I said I didn't. He
Opa.
started beating on me. Then you showed up, started beating on him. That about cover it, hun?
I'm the woodsman, you whore. I saved Little Red Riding Hood from this monster. I cut this fucker open and filled his belly
mano,
full
tu vai
of
calar.
big stones and threw him in the fucking river. That's who the fuck I am, you stupid bitch.
Hey, what did I say? I said be nice, or you wait out.
Come on.
Nem fica ligado. Uhul! Nossa, eu caí no carro. O que aconteceu? Nossa.
Shit.
O cara morreu, mano.
Hey, Toad.
O sapo.
Oh, yeah. Give me a second. Oh, no, by all means. Take your time. Make yourself
Sorry.
Sorry about the car. We ended up going out the window. Couldn't be avoided.
I can't be mad at you. I called you, and you came to help. I can't be mad. But even when you help, things end up more fucked than they started. Well, at least you're not fucking dead.
Ah, peraí, eu vou desistir.
I know you're fucking in there. Come on out, you fucking dog. I'll put you out of your misery. You fucking mongrel. You little fuck.
Droga.
Come on out, Wall.
Isso foi tão fácil. Ah! Nossa, mano. Vida louca, esse negócio. Caraca, mano, que nojo. Obrigado.
Thanks.
Don't mention it.
Galera, eu sei que vocês gostaram, mas já vai ter que acabar por aqui. Se você gostou, deixe seu like e aperta a notificação. Se inscreve no Gabriel Pro Nascimento. Se inscreve nos inscritos que eu tenho aqui, mano. E falou!